This is an Amazon Vine review of ROEKO hard drive reader IDE Sata to USB external drive. Data recovery thingy. But yeah, that was provided me for free from Amazon Vine. And we are going to try this out today. We have the hard drive. Whoopsies. Don't mind me. We are going to test that out on the AMD PC right there. Now, in case anything happens to it, I don't care. It is cool though. It actually has a power switch. Now I have different hard drive adapters and thingies and stuff like that. Where are they? Come on. Oh jeez, there's a hard drive in here still. This one's from Oracle, which I bought with my own money before I got into Amazon Vine. But this I can actually run off a USB-C power cable, which I got from Amazon Vine. No idea where it is right now. I think it might be in a box somewhere. Don't mind me, this is how I roll. Come on. Well, here's one of them. This was Amazon Vine review also. Comes in handy. Well, we're gonna try it out on this too. See what happens. Because it's barrel jack to USB-C power, and it comes with different adapters too, so which is cool. Well, this fits. If it fits, it ships. Yes. But will it power on? We don't know yet. But we will try that. And see what happens in a few minutes. Stay tuned.